Hello, everybody, and welcome to your junior science course, Canvas Navigation. I am going to be your tour guide. My name is Mrs. Cohn, and I am either your chemistry or your physical science teacher. Now, today I'm going to show you how to navigate our Canvas course. I'm going to use the chemistry course, but if you're in physical science, it looks exactly the same. The only thing that's different is that your course will say physical science here at the top, and it will have your information for your Zoom meeting and, of course, your lessons and your syllabus. But other than that, everything looks exactly the same, so you should be able to navigate it whether it's chemistry or physical science. So when you click on your course card from your Canvas homepage, the first thing you're going to see is the welcome page. This should be the same across the board with any of your teachers, so it should look pretty familiar. So there's me. Again, my name is Mrs. Cohn. I am your science teacher for this semester, and here is all my contact information. So my name, my email address. The thing I want to point out about my email is that it might look a little bit different because my last name and my email doesn't match my last name now. That's because this email address was created before I got married, so it's just got my maiden name in it. So just know if it looks a little bit funny because it says Ramsey, it's still my email address. It's just my old name. I have my phone number here, so if you ever needed to text or call me, that would be the Google Voice number that you should use. I don't mind text messages. I'll respond between, office hours, so like 7:15 to 2:15 during the school day, normal hours, I can get back to you. And there is a 24-hour policy, so if you do reach out, past 2:15 in the afternoon, just understand that I do have 24 hours to get back to you. It doesn't mean I'm ignoring you. It just means that it might take a minute for me to get back to you. Our Zoom link is right here, so on the days we have required Zoom meetings, you can just click this link and get right in. If you want to meet with me one-on-one, so you want to guarantee that nobody else will be in the meeting with you, you just click this link right here, and you will choose my name, because that's me. And then you just click on the day you want to meet with me, and then there will be times set up. So let's say you just want to meet with me one-on-one at 1 p.m. You'll click 1 p.m. And then give me your details and click book, and then I'll get an email notification saying that you want to meet with me, and I'll be able to meet with you one-on-one. If you don't mind other people being in the Zoom, or you just want to take a chance on nobody else being there, I do have open office hours. That's going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Friday from 10 to 11 a.m. So if you just got a quick question, or you even just want to come and say hello, if it's any one of these 3 days, so Monday, Tuesday, Friday, and it's between the hour of 10 and 11, you can drop in on this Zoom meeting, and I will be there waiting to meet with you guys. Your required Zoom meeting is right here. Again, for chemistry, it's going to be Thursdays at 9:45, and then physical science is still going to be Thursdays, but I think we get started at 11:45. This video is going to be linked right here, and then of course I'll have your syllabus listed on the page as well. So all that good stuff, all the information you need is right on this home page, and your lessons that you'll need will be right in here. So of course, when you're ready to start your day, we're going to click here to start our class. And then your page is going to look very simple. So it's not a lot of clicking. I try to make it as simple as possible. When you come to your daily lessons page, you'll see the day of the week. So we have Monday through Friday here. And it's just going to be as simple as clicking on the day of the week that it is to get the new lesson. Okay, so if you wake up on Monday morning and you're ready to do your chemistry or your physical science work, you will simply click into the Monday button and you'll start your lesson. And that's it. It's easy as that. Now, you guys are virtual, and I understand that things happen. So let's say maybe it's a Friday, you get sick, you can't do your Friday work, but then when you log on the next Monday, the Friday lesson is gone. Don't worry about it, okay? Your lessons will never disappear. The reason I use the Monday through Friday buttons, it just makes it really easy for you to click and access the lesson, but they're never going to go away, okay? So what I mean by that is that if the buttons refresh on a new week, it doesn't mean you can't go back to the previous week and get your previous lessons. All you have to do is click into the button of the unit that we're in, and it will take you to the correct module. So here's what I mean by that. Let's say you've missed a lesson and that it's not in the Monday through Friday button anymore. How do you find it? You're just going to click onto the unit button below, because again, your lessons never disappear. I never take anything from you. I never delete anything. You can always access it. So when you click into your unit, it will take you to the module with all of your lessons. Now, obviously, it's the beginning of the semester, so all your lessons haven't been built yet, but you'll find the module with the correct unit. So we're all going to start at Unit 0. That's either Intro to Chemistry or Intro to Physical Science, and then all of your lessons are going to be below it. Okay, so you'll always be able to find it. And the last thing I want to do really quick is just show you what your lesson is going to look like and what you can expect throughout the day. So let's open this up. It's thinking for a minute. All right, so here is what your daily lessons will look like. It will have the lesson at the top. So this is your very first one, our intro unit, our first lesson, Intro to the Course. It has the date, so what day you should be completing this lesson, what your objective is, so what you should be able to do by the end of the lesson, the essential question for the day, and also the standards. Now, for your intro lessons, you're not going to have any standards that you have to be covering, so that just says NA for now, okay? Now, here's the easy part. For your daily lesson, all you have to do is start at the top and work your way to the bottom. Okay, so like this is what you need to complete for my class for the day. So you're going to always have a warm up, some kind of really short engagement activity. Under explain, this is where your notes will be. So your lecture videos, where you'll get your content. Evaluate, this is where your graded work will be for the day. So under the evaluate, there's going to be some kind of assignment that you need to complete, and that's where your daily grade will come from. Okay. Your exit will usually be some kind of exit ticket activity to see how you have gotten the content or if you need some help. And then if you have any homework, homework is not typically assigned. What I mean by homework is typically just go back, make sure you have everything done for the week so that you can get full credit. Okay. So this is what it looks like. If you're logging on every day and you're completing your lesson from the warm up to the exit, you'll be fine. Okay. It's pretty simple. And it's pretty intuitive to use, right? You're just reading the instructions, going down and completing it in order. So you always start with your warm up and you always end with your exit. Okay. Last thing is I want to show you your syllabus really quick. Again, your chemistry and physical science syllabus looks very similar, but when you open this, you'll have, again, all of my information at the top, clicking for the Zoom meetings or the appointments, my office hours. We follow the CMS grading policy and attendance policy, so that's all linked here. The thing I wanted to point out to you before we wrap up is just that the way that I do my assignments are that you need to be trying to complete them the day they're assigned. So if you have, in the evaluate tab of your lesson, if it's got an assignment, you want to try everything you can to finish it that day. However, I understand some of you guys, you have lives, things happen with family. So I try to give you a little bit of wiggle room. So for the week, all of your assignments are due for full credit at 11:59 p.m. So if something happens on Tuesday and you can't get your Tuesday assignment done, as long as it's turned in on Sunday evening at 11:59, you'll get full credit for the assignment. Okay. Now, after that, so after Sunday, that's when the late work policy starts and you start getting 5 points a day taken off of the assignment. But that gives you some wiggle room. But again, you want to be trying to complete your assignments the day they're assigned. Okay. Also, for your required materials, obviously you need your Chromebook. And then I suggest getting a one subject college ruled notebook. So just a notebook just for chemistry or physical science that you take notes in specifically for our class. Now, if you're somebody that likes to have like a 5 subject notebook with all of your subjects in one place, that's fine. I don't mind. It's just you want to make sure you have one section specifically for science because you don't want to be mixing up all of your notes. Myself and your other teachers are requiring that you guys take handwritten notes that you'll be taking pictures of and uploading for a notebook check. So you just want to make sure you have one place that you're keeping all of your notes for the semester. And obviously you'll need a pen or a pencil to do that. I don't care what you do your notes in, whatever you want to. The optional thing for this course is a calculator. I know you guys all have calculators on your phones, but for us, we'll definitely need to use a scientific calculator. However, there are websites that have scientific calculators, so you don't have to go out and buy one. It's not a big deal. The scientific calculators work online just fine. However, if you like the option of having a physical calculator, and you feel like investing in one, that's totally fine, but you don't have to buy one. The biggest thing is just to make sure you've got a notebook and something to write with so that you can take your notes. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's what your lessons will look like. And then your course navigation is pretty intuitive. You'll be able to see everything. You guys won't have all these tabs over on the left-hand side. However, if you ever need anything or have questions, of course, all my contact information is right here. And I would be more than happy to answer any questions that you have or help you navigate the course. So I'm looking forward to a really wonderful semester. I hope you guys all have a great start to the school year or semester, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.